Welcome to the Category Name List tutorial. This is Chaz
and Ashley
with the VGS Dev team. This tutorial will show you how to edit a displayed category name in Reporting and Field Input View.
On the menu toolbar, select Setup, then List Manager. In the List Manager window, select Category Names from the List Type column. The user can create a new list or import an existing list. To import an existing list, select Import, browse to the file, select Open. To create a new list, click New, enter a name, and if desired, a description.
To edit a category name list, select the list. Select the Members tab to view the categories and their default abbreviations. To make any needed changes to the category abbreviation, find that category in the list and add the desired name in the abbreviation column. Once you are done editing, click Save.
The category name list can also be exported to share with other users. To export an existing list, select the list, then Export. Browse to where you would like to save the file, then select Save. To set a category name list as a default, see the Settings menu tutorial for more information.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. For user support, please contact the VGS Dev team at vgs.arizona.edu.